Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone in Microsoft Teams. Now, I want to mention that the time zone that is currently found in Microsoft Teams, it's also the same one to your system, but I'll walk you through the steps so you can easily change that. Once you're in Teams, click the three dots on the upper right next to your account and go to Settings. Under the Settings General section, scroll down and you'll find a section called Time Zone. Here you can see it is showing the current time zone for me. It's European Prague, and I can click Manage Windows Settings. And so basically this is pulling from your operating system on Windows. And so if I click on Manage Windows Settings, it's going to open up this feature in my Windows system. And so you can see right here that if I want to change that, all I'll have to do now is just turn off the automatic time zone. Once I turn it off, I can manually set this. And so that's how you'll be able to change that in your Microsoft Teams. So you want to change the one for your PC to whatever it is that you want, and that's going to also reflect in Microsoft Teams afterwards. And that's pretty much how you can easily change the time zone in Microsoft Teams, guys. Very easy and very simple.